Hey everyone. Today is a good day for you, not a good day for me. So, I'll drink that later, but right now we're going to do 10 fucking ghost peppers. So, I'm going to count them out. By the way, these aren't like crunchy or anything, they're slimy as fuck. And they have lots and lots of seeds. So, fuck. Alright, let's get the whole ones that I haven't eaten. Bit out of at least. I should probably not use my fingers. I'll use a knife. I'll be back. Sorry about that. Ow, my knee. Let's go. Alright. One. Two. Come on, three. Bitch. Son of a bitch. I'm like cutting this one up. Yeah, I can't grab that one. It won't let me. Dude. Three. This is gonna suck. But it's my own doing. Sorry about that burp. Oh, this one looks good. Look at that. It's dripping. Well, it is pickled, so. So, I just want to know how you guys' days are going. It's going good. Q. If you're having a shitty day, I hope this helps. I'm having a shitty day, so I'm gonna distract my brain with pain. 5. Jesus Christ, I can't believe I made this. 5, 6, 7, 8. If I can grab it. I will only grab like the tip. That's what she said. No, I can't. Dude, these are so hard to grab. This is the 8th one, and it's like, nope. Oh, I almost had 2 there. 8. 9. 9. And 10. 10 is the fucking biggest one. Jesus. Actually, no, that's a lie. Alright, 10 ghost peppers. You can see. Pickled, no less. Sorry, this is going to be 4 minutes. This is a pretty long video, actually, to be honest. I have juice, not milk. Alright. Already burned my tongue. Sick. Alright. This is the 10 ghost peppers because I got 10 likes on my last stream video. I am the Green King, and I hope you enjoy this. Shit's slimy as fuck, though. Alright, here we go. Three. Oh, here's the hiccups. Damn it. I'm sorry, this is 6 minutes. I'm the Green King. Green King. Resilience. Oh, motherfucker. Oh. Four peppers. Four. Salute to you, Green King. I just had to get the seats down. It came back up. I know I'm being a pussy right now, hold on. 5. No, that's 6. Yeah. I don't know how many I'm eating. You're gonna hear a lot of breathing in my mic. I hope you know that. I can barely talk right now. And I'm really trying to get this fucking pepper. Alright, so 4 left. 5 left. So I've eaten 5 peppers. Oh, and I forgot I was depressed today. 5 fucking hot peppers. I've eaten worse. Look at this one. I've lost my humanity right now. It's for you, Hollowell. I can't give up now. It sticks. I have to swallow this one down. Hold up. I can't do it anymore. I'm gonna throw up. I'm already losing my shit. Alright. Please like, subscribe, and I'm sorry I couldn't do this video. I'm literally not knowing where I am. I'm gonna throw up later. Alright. Thank you for watching. I'm in pain. I can't feel my tongue, or I have pain in my ear. I don't know. Please like, subscribe, comment what you want to see next, and add me on Instagram or Snapchat. My Snapchat is Gizmo360. My Instagram is Green King Official with 2 O's. Peace. Sorry for a long video.